Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is October 6, 2015. Thank you all for tuning in. We're going to start off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures, and you're going to see that the futures are trading higher this morning, or lower, I should say, by 3.5 points. It's not really a big move down. You did have a huge surge yesterday, so that makes the market come with two back-to-back trading days to the upside on Friday and again yesterday on Monday. Two big, tremendous upside days, and today we're getting just a little bit of what we call a pause here. So we'll see how the market plays out by the end of the day. It's typical after a big up day to see a more reserved or more subdued trading session. We'll see if that is what occurs today. But nonetheless, markets have been in rally mode over the last week, and we'll see how this plays out going forward. Now, there are a lot of stocks in the news today. We're going to start the first one off with Alumina. ILMN is the ticker symbol. You're going to see the stock closed yesterday at $163.17. I think the company warned that earnings were going to miss, and right now it's trading at $137.50. I'm going to try to work on some levels here. I do see some levels, but really until this stock gets down to around $108, it's still a little bit tricky. There could be a little bit of a support level around 134, but I'm not really sure about the risk that we got to put on that level. So again, you want to be a little bit careful here, but I do like it around the $108 level. I do think that is very, very good if it does get down there. A lot of traders will say that's far away, it may not get there, but look at this fall. It got all the way down to 125. So, you know, if it falls again, it can get down there. So be careful. Again, anytime you get a stock like this, you know, biotech or anything like that, these things can move in a big, big way. All right, let's take a look at the Container Store. Ticker symbol is TCS. This one is getting hit as well. Closed at $15.57, trading now at $14.20. Volume is light. Got to keep this one on the radar once the opening bell rings. To be honest, I don't have any levels for this. This is a new all-time low, and you got to be very, very careful. Last time the stock made any kind of real big move, it was a while ago, and it's been in a downtrend, so you got to really be careful here with TCS, which is the Container Store. So again, we'll watch this one once the opening bell rings, but right now I'm not looking to step into that one. Let's take a look at RDWR. Radware, and you're going to see that this is getting hit as well. Closed at $17.32, now trading at $12.44. To be honest, I'm not really seeing any great levels here till it gets to $10. I'm not sure it'll get down there, but that's the only level that kind of even gives me a little bit of interest. So again, be very, very careful with this. And if you want to trade these stocks and others, come over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing. You can trade right alongside of us. Let's take a look at some other stocks here. DuPont in the news today. I forget exactly what happened. I think they guided lower, but they are the CEO is leaving. So I believe that is the news. Market is rejoicing over that. Right now the stock is trading at $54.48. I will have levels for DuPont. So again, right now 54.50 area is a lot of resistance, but if it gets through here, I will have some gap resistance levels where we could play this one today. So that'll be posted up in the chat room right at 9 o'clock. Let's take a look at PepsiCo. PEP is the ticker symbol here. Stock closed at $95.81. Nice little gap up, trading at $98.60. This has upside to around $99.25. Maybe it even overshoots a little bit, gets to $100. But around $99.25, I would really trail the stop real tight. I don't think it's going to go much past that. Let's take a look at Stars. Ticker symbol is STRZA. And I believe that STRZA. And I believe that there is news out here that they are going to merge with Lionsgate Film. So I don't know how true it is. Stock is trading higher, closed at $39.07. Right now it is trading at $41.90. Really, there's a lot of resistance up here around $41.50 to $42. I guess on a merger or a takeover, it could always trade a little bit higher. But that is the news this morning. We'll see how it looks once the opening bell rings. Take a look at LGF, which is Lionsgate. And you see this one is trading down a little bit around $39.63. They're really going to be the acquirer of Stars. So just keep that in mind. Stars, Lionsgate Film, they're going to call it a merger, but really it's more like Lionsgate is going to take over Stars. So we'll see how that plays out. PMCS, we talked about this, I think, yesterday. Today, it looks like the news is announced. They are going to be bought out by Skyworks Solutions. So Again, do not look to buy this now. It's over. We talked about this one getting a bid yesterday in the pre-market. Here it looks like the deal is finalized. They're going to be bought out for $10.33 a share. Right now it's trading at $10.24 on PMCS. If you own it, congratulations. There's nothing more to do. Take your money off the table or just trail your stop loss. Let's take a look at EXAS. This is Exact Science. And what you're going to see here is stock closed at $18.53, now trading at $11.24. This is just getting bludgeoned. This is another stock. I'd wait for it to get down to $10. There could be a play there around that level. Other than that, I'm just not seeing a whole lot that I would do one way or the other or another. This is a real big decline today in Exact Sciences, so be careful there. Looking at Sony today, Sony is scheduled to split off one of its semiconductor sections of its business. I believe that semi company is in the Apple iPhone or does something with the Apple products. Again, so you'll see that reflected once the opening bell rings. So if you see some big whip move in Sony, it is a spin-off of part of that company. So just want to keep that on the radar. All right, gold futures trading up $5.40 today. You're going to see here US dollar is down. Gold is trading a little bit higher, so you got a nice little pop in the GLD. Also, if you take a look at oil today, crude oil is trading up 35 cents to $46.60. Take a look at the USO this morning. You'll see that is getting a little bit of an uplift as well. So again, that's where we are. That's what we're looking at. Again, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing. We're having a stellar 2015. With that being said, everybody, we will see you on the charts.